my channel. Today I will teach you a new topic in math series, that is subtraction. As we are done with addition for class 1, so today I am starting a new topic in math series, that is subtraction. So before doing anything else, as we have done in addition, I told you the vocabulary words related to addition. Same way, first we will learn the words related to subtraction. Subtraction vocabulary. First word is less than, difference, minus, balance, decrease, deduct, reduce, give away and left. Do you remember? In our addition video, we have learned some of the words related to addition. So, we have to keep these words in mind when we will do subtraction questions. So, okay, I told when we were doing addition, I told you this about the sign of addition, which was one vertical line and one horizontal line. So, I will show you how do we make the sign of subtraction. It's a simple horizontal or sleeping line, just like this. This is the sign of subtraction and it is called minus sign. See, the minus sign is waving to you. Hello. Now, 4 methods of doing subtraction. First method is by counting on fingers. Second method is by using counters or real objects. Third method is by using the number line. And fourth method is in mind and on fingers. So, let's start with the first method of doing subtraction, that is by counting on fingers. In this, our first question is 9 minus 5. This is the sign of subtraction. Okay, because this is the first video on subtraction, so I have taken till ones place only. This O is for ones. In my question, my first addend is 9 and my second addend is 5. Okay, whenever we will do subtraction, we need to keep in mind that we will always keep bigger number on top. Bigger number will be our first addend. So, in my question, I have 9 minus 5. And my method is by counting on fingers. So, first I will show 9 fingers. 5 and 4. These are 9 fingers. I have to subtract 5 fingers from these 9 fingers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, I am left out with 4 fingers. So, 9 minus 5 is 4. This is our answer. Let's take another question. 7 minus 4. In this question, my first addend is 7 and my second addend is 4. My method is by counting on fingers. So, I have 5 and 2 fingers. So, and I have to subtract 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 7 minus 4 is 3. So, my answer is 3. Now, let's move on to the second method of doing subtraction. That is by using counters or real objects. You can take anything. So, I have taken some pencils here. My first question is 6 minus 4. As counters, I am taking these pencils. So, my first addend is 6. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pencils here. And I have to minus 4 pencils from these. So, 6 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's my answer. 6 minus 4 is 2. Let's take another example. 8 minus 5. In this question, my first addend is 8 and second addend is 5. So, as we did earlier, our answer is already here. These are 8 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 8 minus 5 is 1, 2 and 3. 3 pencils. I am sure this second method is also clear to you. Now let's move on to the third method of doing subtraction, that is by using number line. Okay, one more thing that you need to keep in mind while doing subtraction is we need to move backward while doing subtraction on number line. This is our number line. We have numbers from 1 to 15 here. Now my question is 9 minus 3. Okay, when we are doing subtraction on number line, first we will see what is our first number. My first number is 9. So I will find out this first number on this number line. 9 is here. Now I will draw a semicircle from 1 to 9. We will draw a semicircle from 1 to this number. That is 9 here. So this is our semicircle from 1 to 9. Now, as I told you, we will keep in mind that we have to move backward. In addition, do you remember we were stepping forward, but in subtraction we will move backward this many times. We have 3 here. Now we will take 3 backward steps from this number. It's 9. 9. First backward step, second backward step and third backward step. After 3 steps backward from 9, I reached to number 6. That is my answer. So 9 minus 3 is 6. I am sure with this method of doing subtraction is also clear to you. Now let's move on to the fourth method of doing subtraction. That is in mind and on fingers. My question here is 8 minus 2. Because now we have to use our mind and the fingers. So we will keep bigger number in mind. In addition, you can keep any number in mind, but in subtraction, you will always keep bigger number in mind. My bigger number is 8. So 8 is in my mind. Now we will show this many fingers. Second addend is 2. So I have 2 fingers here. Now I will count backward. I'm sure you know backward counting, right? So I have 8 in my mind. Now I will count backward this many times from this number. 8, 7 and 6. After 2 backward steps from 8, I reached to number 6. Simple. So this is our answer. Let's take one more example. We have 7 and 1 here. 7 in mind. We will always keep bigger number in mind. As I told you, 7. And we have 1 here. So 1 finger. Now I will count backward from this number. This number is 7. So what comes before 7? 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So I am sure with this the concept of subtraction is clear to you. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all from today.